Digestion and absorption NEET previous year questions. 1. Which one of the following correctly represents the normal adult human dental formula? A. 3/3, 1/1, 3/2, 1/1. B. 2/2, 1/1, 3/2, 3/3. C. 2/2, 1/1, 2/2, 3/3. D. 3/3, 1/1, 3/3, 3/3. NEET 2011. Answer C. 2/2, 1/1, 2/2, 3/3. Explanation. C. An adult human has 32 permanent teeth, which are of 4 different types, heterodont dentition. Namely, incisors I, canine C, premolars PM and molars M. Arrangement of teeth in each half of the upper and lower jaw in the order I, C, PM, M is represented by a dental formula which in human 2/2, 1/1, 2/2, 3/3.
2. A healthy person eats the following diet: 5 grams raw sugar, 4 grams albumin, 10 grams pure buffalo ghee adulterated with 2 grams vegetable ghee, hydrogenated vegetable oil, and 5 grams lignin. How many calories he is likely to get? A. 126, B. 164, C. 112, D. 144. NEET 2013. Answer D. 144. Explanation. The physiological value is the energy produced by 1 gram of food on oxidation in the body. For carbohydrates, it is 4.0 kilocalories per gram. For proteins, it is 4.0 kilocalories per gram and it is 9.0 kilocalories per gram for fats. Lignin is a fiber that is present in plant cells, but it does not produce energy. Hence, 5 gram raw sugar will yield 5x 4.0 is equal to 20.0 kilocalories. 4 gram albumin will yield 4x 4.0 16.0 kilocalories. 10 plus 2 gram of fat will yield 12x 9.0 to 108.0 kilocalories. Total yield is equal to 144 kilocalories.
The primary dentition in human differs from permanent. Dentition is not having one of the following type of teeth. A. Molars. B. Incisors. C. Canines. D. Premolars. Answer D. Premolars. Explanation. D. Milk primary teeth of man include 8 incisors, 4 canines and 8 molars. Premolars are absent. Molars of milk teeth are shed off and premolars of permanent teeth take their place. The permanent teeth are 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars and 12 molars. Thus 12 teeth, 8 premolars and 4 molars are monophyodont, teeth which grow only once in life. Dental formulae of milk teeth is 2/2, 1/1, 2/2, x2 is equal to 20. Dental formulae of permanent teeth of human is 2 halves, 1 over 1, 2 halves, 3 thirds, x2 is equal to 32.
4. For its activity, carboxypeptidase requires A. Zinc, B. Iron, C. Niacin, D. Copper. NEET 2012. Answer A. Zinc. Explanation. A. Carboxypeptidase is an enzyme synthesized in pancreas and secreted into small intestine. It contains zinc, Ill ions as a metal ion cofactor. This enzyme helps in protein digestion and becomes active in alkaline medium. It is mainly involved in the conversion of large peptides or polypeptides into dipeptides and amino acids.
Which of the following options best represents the enzyme composition of pancreatic juice? A. Amylase, pepsin, trypsinogen, maltase. B. Peptidase, amylase, pepsin, renin. C. Lipase, amylase, trypsinogen, procarboxypeptidase. D. Amylase, peptidase, trypsinogen, renin. NEET 2017. Answer C. Lipase, amylase, trypsinogen, procarboxypeptidase. Explanation. C. The pancreatic juice contains sodium bicarbonate, 3 proenzymes. 1. Trypsinogen, 2. Chymotrypsinogen and 3. Procarboxypeptidase, and some enzymes such as elastase, pancreatic amylase, DNase, anase and pancreatic lipase. It helps in the digestion of starch, proteins, fats and nucleic acids. Which hormones do stimulate the production of pancreatic juice and bicarbonate? A. Angiotensin and epinephrine. B. Gastrin and insulin. C. Cholecystokinin and secretin. D. Insulin and glucagon. NEET 2016. Answer C. Cholecystokinin and secretin. Explanation. C. Cholecystokinin pancreosamin, CCKPZ, is a hormone secreted from small intestine. It stimulates the gallbladder to release bile and pancreas to secrete and release digestive enzymes in the pancreatic juice. Hormone secretin is secreted from duodenum and releases bicarbonates in the pancreatic juice. It also increases secretion of bile and decreases gastric secretion and motility. 8. Which enzymes are likely to act on the baked potatoes eaten by a man? Starting from the mouth and as it moves down the alimentary canal? A. Pancreatic amylase goes to salivary amylase goes to lipases. B. Disaccharidase like maltase goes to lipases goes to nucleases. C. Salivary amylase goes to pancreatic amylase goes to disaccharidases. D. Salivary maltase goes to carboxypeptidase goes to trypsinogen. NEET 2013. Answer C. Salivary amela SE goes to pancreatic amylase goes to disaccharidases. Explanation. C. Baked potatoes consist of starch, which is a polysaccharide. In oral cavity, the food is mixed with saliva. The saliva contains an enzyme called salivary amylase, also called ptyalin, which converts starch into maltose, isomaltose, and small dextrins. Salivary amylase is activated in the saliva by the chloride ions. Salivary starch maltose plus isomaltose plus seized dextrins. Amylase. The pancreatic juice, present in small intestine, contains starch-digesting enzyme called pancreatic amylase, which converts starch into maltose, isomaltose, and dextrins. Pancreatic starch maltose plus isomaltose L-dextrins. Amylase. Further, disaccharidases such as maltase, present in intestinal juice in small intestine, break down disaccharides such as maltose into monosaccharides or simpler sugars.
9. The purplish red pigment rhodopsin contained in the rods type of photoreceptor cells of the human eye is a derivative of A. Vitamin BL, B. Vitamin C, C. Vitamin D, D. Vitamin A. NEET 2011. Answer D. Vitamin A. Explanation. D. Vitamin A, retinol, is a fat-soluble vitamin that cannot be synthesized by mammals and other vertebrates and must be provided in the diet. It is a constituent of the visual pigment rhodopsin. Deficiency affects the eyes, causing night blindness.
10. One of the constituents of the pancreatic juice, which is poured into the duodenum in humans is A. Trypsinogen, B. chymotrypsin, C. Trypsin, D. enterokinase, Mains 2011. Answer A. Trypsinogen. Explanation. A. Pancreatic juice contains proenzymes, trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, and procarboxypeptidase. In the presence of enterokinase, a protease of intestinal juice, inactive trypsinogen is converted to active trypsin. Trypsin then activates chymotrypsinogen and procarboxypeptidase into chymotrypsin and carboxypeptidase respectively. This enables simultaneous action of all pancreatic proteases for a rapid digestion of proteins. The bile provides alkaline medium for various reactions.